With everything going on in the world right now, Apple is still going full force and just released the 2020 iPad Pro, the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and the MacBook Air. That being said, I'm still looking forward into the near future where Apple is going to be releasing the iPhone 12 and of course their own Apple headphones. What's going on, guys? It's Gino from Modern Accessory Review, and on this channel I help you find the best tech and accessories for yourselves. Today I want to talk about all of the interesting things that we will be seeing in the Apple headphones. So let's get right to it. So Apple is rumored to be releasing some over-ear headphones that is supposedly going to be called the AirPods Studio. After seeing leaks from multiple different sources, it looks like these will be priced at $349. It will be kind of similar to the Bose and Sony headphones, kind of like the Bose noise cancelling 700s and the Sony WH-1000 XM3s. According to John Prosser and Bloomberg, we might be seeing these headphones with interchangeable parts similar to the Apple Watch. I'm not sure how exactly this would work, but if Apple does include this on their headphones, I am super excited to see how they're going to make that work with the different customizable options. There is said to be two separate versions or models, one of them having more premium leather-like fabrics, and then another sporty version with more breathable materials. In terms of features, we can expect to see active noise cancelling that we see in the AirPods Pros and transparency mode. Breaking these down just a bit if you don't know what they are, active noise cancelling uses microphones to block out all of the background noise, and transparency mode is kind of like the opposite of that, and it uses the microphones to hear your surroundings, so if you're running or working out, you can watch out for cars, or if you're talking to somebody, you'll be able to hear them with transparency mode on. This really does come in handy if you're running and you need to watch out for cars, or if you're talking to somebody. Now, one thing that we are supposed to see in the new AirPods Studios is a sensor built into the headband that will automatically stop your music when you place the headphones around your neck, and then automatically play the music when you put the headphones back on your head. According to Mac Rumors, we can also expect to see custom equalizer settings with low, medium, and high frequency adjustments that allow you to change the audio characteristics to your liking. We currently don't have this level of customization in the AirPods Pros right now, so it'll be a nice addition to the lineup. Another cool thing, according to some rumors I've seen going around, is that the headphones don't have a left and a right side, meaning that you can just put the headphones on and they will automatically tell which side is your left ear and then which side is your right ear. This may include a sensor in the headphones themselves that can tell which ear is on which ear cup. Now, currently I haven't found any good sources nailing down the color options, but if we do get the interchangeable parts like the ear pads and so on, then I think we can expect to see multiple different colors. However, we do know Apple with their color options, it seems like it's usually only white like we see in the AirPods, or we're going to have a huge variety like we see in the Apple Watches. Overall, all of these features do sound very promising, but I do have a lot of questions that really aren't going to be answered until I see the headphones myself. My first question would be, what's going to happen with the Beats headphones? As you guys probably know, Apple actually owns the Beats headphones, so it could be possible that Apple is going to slowly fade away the Beats brand and include their Apple headphones. Or they could keep the Beats headphones and then totally separate the headphones with features and so on. Another thing I'm wondering is if everything is going to have to be wireless, or if we're going to have the option to have a wired connection with the 3.5mm input. I'm assuming everything is going to be wireless because that just seems like something Apple would do, but of course, I don't know for sure. Also, thinking about these headphones a little too much has me wondering if there's going to be any design improvements that will help the headphones stay on your head if you're running or working out. I know the headphones are rumored to be very similar to the Beats Solo Pros, but I'm sure Apple has something up their sleeve that they're going to surprise us with. Final thoughts here, I am super stoked about these headphones. With all of the new features and technology, I really think that Apple is going to do something cool here. Not only will these headphones be a great addition to the AirPods lineup, but it will be interesting to see how it affects the Beats headphones. These headphones may be coming sooner than expected, and according to John Prosser, we could be seeing these within 6 weeks to a couple months. But of course, nobody knows for sure except Apple. With all of that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.